If you earn more than you did a few years ago, but still feel broke, it's not your salary, it's a psychological loop your brain is stuck in. A loop that makes you feel poor, even when the numbers say you're doing fine. Let me explain why this happens, and how to break it. Most people don't realize this, but money anxiety isn't about money. It's about uncertainty. When your brain can't predict what's coming, bills, emergencies, rising costs, it goes into survival mode. And here's the crazy part. Your brain reacts to financial uncertainty the same way it reacts to physical danger. Heart rate up, stress hormones up, impulse spending up, saving down. This is the beginning of the money anxiety loop. Here's the first twist. When you're anxious about money, you don't spend less. You spend more. Why? Your brain wants relief. And buying something, a coffee, a gadget, food delivery, gives a tiny dopamine hit that says, you're okay for now. So you chase the feeling, not the thing. And even if you know you shouldn't spend, the temporary relief wins. This is why people with good incomes still fall into overspending cycles. Then comes stage 2, guilt. You look at your bank account, and reality hits you harder than you expected. Your brain goes, I messed up. I need to fix my life. But guilt doesn't lead to discipline. It leads to avoidance. You avoid checking your statements. You avoid budgeting. You avoid thinking long term. And the anxiety returns, stronger than before. And now the loop completes. The anxiety returns, but this time, you're carrying the guilt of overspending and the fear of the future. Your brain goes right back into survival mode. And to escape, you spend again, not because you're careless, but because your nervous system is overwhelmed. This is why people feel broke even with $60,000, $80,000, $100,000 salaries in the US. It's not a money problem. It's a psychological loop. Here's how you break it. Solution 1. Name your triggers. Write down every moment you spend, from emotion, boredom, stress, loneliness, fear. Awareness kills autopilot. Solution 2. Create a safety buffer. Not a giant savings target. Just $100 to $300 in a separate account. This lowers anxiety immediately. Your brain needs a sense of safety, not a big number. Solution 3. Make one automatic transfer. Not budgeting, not restriction, just one automatic movement of money every month, even if it's $25. This tells your brain, I'm in control. Control reduces anxiety. Reduced anxiety reduces spending. And that's how you break the loop. You don't feel broke because you're bad with money. You feel broke because nobody taught you how your brain reacts to money. When you break the loop, your entire financial life changes. If you want to fast track that journey, subscribe to Wealth Fast Track. We're just getting started.